All right, my friend, welcome. My name is Dr. Anthony Balduzzi. I'm the founder here at the Fit Father Project. In today's video, we're gonna cover how to do oblique crunches for beginners, which are an amazing ab exercise to really round out your ab training in relation to a lot of the common exercises people do, like crunches and leg lifts. A lot of people neglect the obliques, so we're gonna show you a really great exercise that's gonna help target that area, tone it up, get it stronger, and it'll also help you just have better posture and overall better health. And so in today's video, I'm gonna demo the proper form and I'm gonna give you some ideas on some sets and reps so you can incorporate this exercise into your routine this week to see results. I know you're gonna learn a ton. So get out your pen and paper, take some notes, and let's dive on in.
FitFatherProject.com.
All right, so oblique crunches, they start off on the floor. So just like any kind of standard crunch where we're getting in a good position, we're gonna start in a standard crunch position. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate ourselves into a 90-90 position. So I'm gonna move my mic out of the way here. We're gonna get into a side lying position just like this. So my hip is in a comfortable position, my legs are in a 90-90 position, and then I'm gonna take my trunk just like this, so I'm gonna open up just right here. Doesn't have to be a dramatic open where you're feeling strain on your low back, but just enough right here so we've kind of exposed this kind of line. Now with the oblique crunch, I want you to imagine there's a line from your chin all the way through the middle of your leg, just right here. Like this is our diagonal. We're gonna be crunching up and through this diagonal here. So I'm gonna take my hand, my right hand. I like to take my left hand and actually put it on my oblique because it helps me feel the contraction. I'm gonna take my hand right behind my head here. My chin is up. And I'm gonna crunch subtly, pointing my chin through that through line. Right on down, it's a small motion. Right on up and squeeze, just right here, squeezing that line through, right on down. Again, you can use this other hand to help guide and feel that contraction, then come right on down. Up, squeeze, hold for a second at the top, come right on down. Now notice this angle is super important. I keep on emphasizing it. It's not like it's a side bend just like this, and it certainly is not cranked all the way open like this. It's kind of in the middle, like the Goldilocks. Right here in the middle, up and through, right on down, up, right on down. And I'll show you the other side just for the purposes of this demo. So again, we're getting into a 90 position with the hip and the legs. I'm gonna take this left hand in this case, put it right behind my ear, which I think is a good guide. I'm gonna open up slightly, not extreme, just slightly enough to expose this angle. Take my other hand, I'm gonna feel that oblique right here. My chin points towards the ceiling, and as I do, I'm gonna come right on up, squeeze, right on down. Up and squeeze, right on down. So again, you're splitting the difference between a side bend and a normal crunch. And this is gonna be the best way to target the obliques. Squeeze the top, come right on down. So with this exercise, it's something that you're gonna wanna do in a slightly higher rep range. So with oblique crunches, I like to do them anywhere in the 10 to even up to 30 rep range. Really feel that contraction. And although the range of motion is not big, you saw me, I'm moving maybe like a foot in total, it's about the quality of that contraction. So really use that opposite hand to feel the oblique crunch, then unwind it, open up, and come right back through. And as you get stronger, you can incorporate weights into these crunches, but this is a great place to start. In terms of incorporating these into your workout, I like to do oblique crunches later in the workout, maybe almost as a finishing motion. It's best to prioritize some of these other, I'll just say it plain out, more effective ab exercises that hit your total core, things like ab wheel rollouts, things like hanging leg raises. These are bigger, better ab motions, but they don't always hit the obliques. This is more of like a finishing auxiliary motion. So use this at the end of your ab training to really just target this particular oblique area. It's a really, really good idea. So that is the tutorial for how to do an oblique crunch for beginners. Start on the floor, get these down pat, focus on that contraction, and then you're gonna see great results. And if you like this, you want more amazing videos like this, definitely subscribe to our Fit Father Project YouTube channel and check that little notification bell to get notified when we publish new videos. First off, we have hundreds of videos on the channel already waiting for you on some of the best ab exercises, you know, like the ab wheel rollouts and the hang leg raises I already talked about. We also have other great stuff on fat loss meal plans, how to build muscle, especially if you're a guy in your 40s, 50s, and 60s. We have it all covered here on the channel. I know you're gonna love what's on there, so definitely check out the channel, check out some of those other videos, and if you like this particular video, give us a thumbs up and drop us a comment below to let us know. Our team loves to hear from you, and we're really grateful that you found this video, and we're really excited to go deeper with you in our other training videos. If you're watching this video and you know you're the kind of person that wants to have a more toned, leaned core and you want to lose some weight, then I also want to invite you to check out some of our favorite resources on how to do that, like our free 1-day weight loss meal plan and our free 24-minute fat burning workout. Those are linked below in the description. They're incredibly valuable resources. Over 100,000 guys have already downloaded those, and I'd love to send them to you too via email, so that's there for you as well. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment below, and my challenge for you in this video is to actually go do some oblique crunches now. Do a set of 30. Let me know how you feel, and let me know some of the form points that you really discovered were important for you. Can't wait to hear your comment below, and I'll talk to you soon, my friend.